In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock columns in Monday.com. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to maintain control over their data and ensure that only authorized team members can make changes to specific areas of a project. Let's dive right into the process, step by step. First, you'll want to identify the column that you need to secure on your board. Hover your mouse over the column header, and you'll notice some options appear. This little trick is the gateway to managing your columns more effectively without needing to dive deep into settings right away, offering you a quick way to access what you need. Next, once you're hovering over the header, a list of options will slide into view. Select the option labeled Settings. This will open up a menu where you'll find various controls that help tailor the column to your needs. The Settings menu is a powerful tool, providing you with the ability to customize your columns at a granular level. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Restrict Column Editing. When you click on this, a permissions pop-up will appear. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to specify who can make changes to this specific column, thereby reducing errors and ensuring that only qualified hands are on deck. You'll notice your name is already there by default as the owner. This means you will always have editing access to the column. However, you can easily add the names of other team members who you want to allow editing access. This is as simple as typing in their names and selecting them from a list. By controlling access like this, you're not only safeguarding data integrity, but also empowering those who truly need to contribute to the project with the right permissions. Once you have added the individuals who will have editing access, you simply click away from the pop-up to close it. You don't need to click any Save button because the settings are automatically applied. You'll see that the column header now has a lock icon, a nice visual cue indicating that the column is restricted and can only be edited by the people you've specified. And there you have it. You've successfully locked a column in Monday.com, ensuring that your data remains secure and that your project is managed as you intended. Remember that this technique can be applied to any column within your board, allowing you to have peace of mind knowing that your data is well protected. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.